Welcome to the StatTree video module for multivariate analysis of variance. To test whether there are differences between two or more groups on two or more continuous variables, the one-way MANOVA would be appropriate. You will need one categorical variable and two continuous variables in order to run this test. In looking at the preferred entertainment viewing survey, demographic question A is categorical with two nominal values. Any one of the scale questions, 3 through 7, would be appropriate for the continuous variable for our demonstration. For this demonstration, we will use questions 3 and 4. With the PEVS dataset open in SPSS, you would choose gender as the independent variable and linear and rewind as the dependent variables. To run the one-way MANOVA for differences, go to Analyze in the top menu, select General Linear Model, and choose Multivariate. When the Multivariate dialog box appears, select the gender variable and press the arrow button next to the Fix Factors box. Then select the linear viewing variable and while holding the Shift key, select the rewind variable. Then press the arrow button next to the dependent variables box. Press the Options button. When the Multivariate Options dialog box appears, select the Descriptive Statistics and Estimates of Effect Size options under Display, and press the Continue button. Now press the OK button. SPSS will generate an output in a new window. As with all statistical tests, the first result to look for is the significance figure associated with the test score. If the significance figure meets your preset criterion, you will need to report your test results in your research paper. You will find that significance figure here. In this test, we have met our significance criterion. Here are your test results. You would report these figures as well as the effect size figures under partial eta squared for those significant findings. You may also report the between subjects effects for each dependent variable separately. You will find these results here. If the significance figure does not meet the criterion, test results do not need to be reported in your research paper. However, you will need to report that the test failed to find a significant difference or relationship in the data. To see what this output looks like, along with a reporting example, press the Output button on the Sending page from the StatTree module. Additionally, these procedures can be run from an SPSS syntax file. The code for this can be copied from the new browser window when you press the Script button on the Sending page from the StatTree module.